Hello everyone, hope you are ready for a lovely hairstyle. Let's get into it. Grab the sides of the hair and make a twist across each other on the right side into a braid, and also grab the sides of the hair, the bun section, and make it over the braid. Have into a bun and secure the tip underneath the bun we created. Have in place by dropping beautiful hairpin and decorate with another hairpin. Leave a little strands of hair on either side of the hair and grab the sides of the hair and make it cross over each other and continue crossing it, making it into a lovely braid. To do it until you reach the bottom and have it as a thicker braid and secure the end with the rubber band. Then once when you complete that, fold the braid inwards and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and split it into two parts and have it twist across each other into a thicker braid. Secure the end with the rubber band. Roll the braid into a clockwise direction, making it as a bun. Hide the tip underneath the bun we created. Have the whole bun in place by dropping beautiful hairpin on the sides. Then grab a little strip of the hair from the left side, twist it, and drop it around the lump we have. Do the same on the right side as well. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and use a very long hairpin and twist your entire ponytail onto it, making it as a lovely smooth bun. Do it gently and move the tail to the right side and have it in place by inserting the hairpin completely. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band, drop the tail into it with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have. How it is a ponytail, have a rubber band, touch the middle part of the tail, stop the tail to the last loop of the rubber band and push it inwards in the middle part and move the entire bun to the top by dropping a beautiful hairpin through the rubber band. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair, pinch out the hair and that one, grab the sides of the hair, tie it over the first tail with the rubber band, drop the first tail into the loop we have and have it come down and do the same for one more time. With the remaining section of the hair, split them into three parts and have it braided and do the braiding until you reach the bottom, secure the end with the rubber band. Fold the braid and move to the bottom left and have it secured by dropping the hairpin. Insert a very long hairpin behind the ponytail horizontally and split the tail into two parts and have it twisted and make it drop around the pin we have and have it come down and drop it once more and have it combine at the bottom with the rubber band and stuff the lump into it, making it completely hidden and drop on your favorite hairpin in the middle. Leave a little strands of hair on either side of the hair and with the remaining section of the hair, the bottom split them into three parts and have it braided into a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the rubber band. Then once when you complete the braiding, fold the braid and make it to the top and have it in place by dropping beautiful hairpin. Make a ponytail and have a rubber band, touch the bottom middle part, create a loop in the middle one and twist the ponytail across each other until you have a tightened loop and make the ponytail roll in a clockwise direction. Have it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we created. Have the whole bun in place by dropping a big black hairpin and decorate with a lovely hairpin on top of that. Go for a ponytail and have a ponytail, split them into two parts and have it twisted across each other in thicker manner and do the braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the rubber band. Roll the braid to a clockwise direction, making it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun by dropping a beautiful hairpin. Make a ponytail and insert a very long hairpin behind the ponytail horizontally and split the tail into two and have it go around the pin and have it combine with the bottom with the rubber band. Then split the tail into two parts and have each of them braided and drop the braid combine tips at the bottom and secure at the rubber band. Leave a little strands of hair on either side of the head and with the remaining section of the hair, the bottom, split them into three parts, start braiding it in a very thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the rubber band. Then fold the braid to half and move it to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin on either side. Thank you everyone for watching this video.